Well, good morning, Mr. Song. Welcome to Mexico City. There's been a huge lot of exciting news in this Broadband User Congress that you're holding here in Mexico City. And I would like to start by asking you, what is the latest progress in ZTE optical access network?
This year, I want to say we bring the latest technology of the PON-ORT and the Mesh AP of ZTE to our customer in Broadband User Congress in Mexico City. The first thing is I want to say is we bring the next generation PON technology, the 50G PON combo technology, which can support 16 ports. Is the highest density in the worldwide, and we also support the combo technology, which means the one single optical module, which can support GPON, XGS-PON, 50G-PON simultaneously, which means in the near future, operator can migrate from GPON to XGS-PON to 50G-PON smoothly. And the second thing we bring to the Mexico City is the small capacity ORT, which support and suit for the outdoor scenario, which can support 4 ports or 8 ports, and we can customize based on your requirement, which very suitable for the Mexico market in the rural area, and the MSO for the CMTS network, cable network reconstruction. And the third one is we bring all kinds of Wi-Fi 7 products. The Wi-Fi 7 can provide over 10 gig bandwidth to each household in the future. And we bring the Wi-Fi 7 PON-ONT as well as the Wi-Fi 7 Mesh AP. At the last, this year in Network X in Paris, we won the most innovative smart home solutions in the industry, the award the BBWF released to ZTE. Thank you.
Well, those are great announcements, but I would like to know more about what products and services is ZTE presenting during this Congress in the field of optical access.
Mr. Roma, it's a very good question. I think the first thing we bring to the User Congress is the AI ODN technology, which means that we want to introduce the artificial intelligence technology to our passive ODN network. That means that we want to make the dark fiber, the ODN network, becoming visible to the customer and the operators. Based on this fingerprint light ODN solution, you can how to see the automatically do the network planning, management, maintenance, and troubleshooting as well in the future. And the second thing is that we bring the fiber to the room FTTR-business solution, which means based on the fiber to the room technology, we can provide all kinds of the solution for the enterprise business and the campus as well. For the big campus, we can provide the POL, the PON over LAN plus the WLAN solution to our customer. And for the small business, we can provide the FTTR for business scenario, which means you just deploy the master gateway plus the slave gateway to provide the ultimate bandwidth to the business scenario.
What is the progress that ZTE has made in the all-access smart home network?
For the smart home, I think ZTE has very good market progress in the recent years. First thing is ZTE, right now we are ranking top 1 in the CPE shipment in the worldwide. Last year, ZTE shipped over 100 million CPEs, the home devices in the worldwide. 100 million. We are ranking top 1 market share with over 36% market share. And the second is that we are also ranking top 1 in the set-top box, IP set-top box domain. Last year we shipped over 30 million set-top boxes in the worldwide to our customer. We are ranking top 1 for IP set-top box with 26% market share. And the second thing is since from last year, we are receiving a lot of the tier 1 operators Wi-Fi 7 tender in the worldwide. In Europe, we're receiving the tender from the Deutsche Telekom, the Vodafone, Orange, the Telecom Italia as well. And in Asia Pacific, we're receiving the tender of the GCOM in Japan, the largest MSO in Japan, and the Singtel in Singapore, AS in Thailand. And in Latin America, we also received the Wi-Fi 7 tenders from the Claro. So ZTE already broke through all these tier 1 operators' Wi-Fi 7 market. We think this year will be the first year of Wi-Fi 7 commercial launch. And ZTE has a very good and cost-effective products to support our customers' business. And the third thing is that we introduced the SCP, the Smart Cloud Platform, to our customer this year. That means we not only focus on the hardware right now, we also start to develop, input the R&D resource for the software as well. Especially the SCP platform can help operator to management and the maintenance of your home network. Because according to ZTE's investigation, around 80% the subscriber complaint is from the home side. And in this 80%, over 60% is from the Wi-Fi issue. So we want to, based on this smart cloud platform, to help operator to resolve the Wi-Fi issue inside your house as soon as possible. And the last point is, as I mentioned in the first question, last month in Paris, in Network X, the BBWF released the most innovative smart home experience, this award to ZTE. I think ZTE is always devote ourselves to provide the best services as well as the best products. Thank you.
Thank you for your answers. These are great announcements, but I would like now to know a little bit more about what concepts or solutions are you presenting in the fixed network field during this Congress?
This question I want to answer by 3 points. I want to share the experience of the China operators, what happened in China market right now. The first thing is we think technically based on the GPON plus Wi-Fi 5 mixed some Wi-Fi 6, operator can provide 100 megabits bandwidth to each household. And based on the XGS-PON plus the Wi-Fi 6 mixed some Wi-Fi 7, operator can provide 1 giga bandwidth to each household. And in the future, based on the 50 GPON plus the Wi-Fi 7 mixed the Wi-Fi 8, operator can provide 10 giga bandwidth to each household. This technical side. And based on this evolution technology, operators started to massively deploy the XGS-PON plus Wi-Fi 7 in the worldwide. And we are also seeing some small-scale commercial deployment for the 50 GPON in China market. I think this, based on the fiber, operator has the possibility and the capability to provide the ultimate bandwidth to the subscriber in the future. That's the first thing. And the second thing is as soon as the operator finish the infrastructure like the FTTH network, they will start to occupy the AI entrance for each household. That's very important strategy, I think, for every operator in the worldwide. In China market, right now there are 2 important AI entrants inside the house. The first one is the FTTR based on the master gateway. We are saying some operator in China choose the master gateway of the FTTR to integrate the middle screen, to integrate the speaker, the computing capability, the storage, non-storage capability, the speaker as well, to occupy this AI entrance. And the others operator, they choose the set-top box. I think is the other very important AI entrance in your household. Based on the set-top box, operators started to integrate the middle screen, the computing capability, storage, and the speaker as well. So it's very important for operator to occupy this AI entrance based on the CPE and the set-top box in current phase. Because if operator don't do this, the Google, the Netflix, even the Apple, the Samsung, they will occupy this AI entrance. Then operator will become only the pipe or pipe run, how to say, the pipe leasing operator, bandwidth leasing. That's the second point. And the third point is based on this ultra bandwidth capability, the FTTH network, and this AI entrance based on the CPE and the set-top box, the China operators start to build the ecosystem, which means that not only provide bandwidth to each subscriber, as well, but also start to build the content, infrastructure, network, AI entrance, the home network, and all the IoT devices and the services. I think that's the future trend. The operator can control the end-to-end the industry chain of the AI technology.
Thank you for your answer, Mr. Sung. I would like to know your opinion about how AI PON can empower a steady HFC transformation.
Actually, we are seeing a huge legacy HFC network, especially in Latin America, its region. We have a lot of discussion and researching with the MSO in Mexico, like the Easy, the Mega Cabling, and the Total Play. They require the how to say the dedicated equipments for the HFC network reconstruction. And by the end of last year, ZTE already finished all the customization for the MSO in Mexico market. Right now, we can provide the remote ORT, which can support 4 ports, 8 ports, 16 ports, depending on your requirement. And we also can support the, how to say, unified pizza box type of the ORT. You can mount it on the pole, or you can mount it on the cable, the HFC cable, to replace the CMTS systems in the fiber station, the same site, to reduce the cost to change all the OD network. And secondly, based on the traditional ORT solution for the HFC network reconstruction, we also introduced the CEM solution to the ORT, which means we call it the CEM, which means the customer experience management the board. We insert an independent card into the ORT, and which can collecting and analysis all the traffic of the different PON ports and all the different ONT the subscribers. We analysis all the traffic, and we can management and the analysis and the maintenance and for the troubleshooting all the whole both the active part and the passive part. When there's something happen, we can locate the root cause of the fault as soon as possible and give the suggestion to the subscriber and the operators.
Thank you for your answer. My last question for you will be how to address the challenges in terms of investment, user retention, and service transformation.
Firstly, ZTE proposed the concept of AI boosting broadband benefits to empower the FBB business growth through the AI. For example, deploying AI ODN and AI PON to build a high-quality or optical intelligent platform to improve efficiency and the user experience. Utilizing the AI Wi-Fi 7 to create the differential high-volume packages and activating the economic value chain of large screens with AI set-top boxes, and achieving safety and profitable with the AI IP camera equipments. And secondly, in this Congress, we described the transformation path of the telecom operators toward the smart ecosystem builders. Our exhibition areas has 3 zones: connected home, AI home, and the network for AI. The connected home zone focus on the quality connectivity and the AI, and the smart home entrance. The AI home zone focus on the converting traffic into the value-added AI services. And the network for AI zone focus on the transformation of basic network into an intelligent adaptive system. Operators will upgrade from the mere bandwidth providers to enablers, operators, and the innovators in AI era.
Well, Mr. Sung, thank you very much. We appreciate your time for this interview. Thank you very much for your time.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much, Mr. Roman.
Thank you.
Mm.